Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you in this video how to set up and use Tor browser safely on your Android device in 2022. The interface of Tor browser is totally changed for Android, so you need to follow all of the steps that I will be showing you in this video. Before beginning to this video, consider subscribing my channel for more tech tips and tricks. First, you need to go to your Android device. Make sure you need to install these two particular applications. Number one app is Orbot, which is the proxy of the Tor. Number second app we need to install is Tor browser. Previously on Android platform it was named as Orfox, but now it is named as Tor browser. These apps are available on a Play Store. So now we are going to install these apps one by one. On a Play Store you need to type Orbot. Its interface will be like this. This app comes as a default proxy for your Tor networking. It has a really good reviews with 10 million plus downloads. So you have to install it on your Android device. Next we need to install Tor browser, which is the default Tor browsing app. It has an onion-like symbol. You also need to install it on your Android device. So after installation of these two particular applications, first we have to open Orbot app, which is the proxy of the Tor. For initial start, you might be seeing this starting interface. So this is the main interface for this Orbot app. We don't need here to do any configuration. Simply enable the VPN mode. It will ask for the connection request. Simply you have to allow, and in a few seconds you will see the onion icon turn into green and stop written over there. Means you are connected with your Orbot proxy. On the notification bar of your Android device, you will be seeing the status upload and download for your Orbot proxy. So the first step has been done. Now you need to open another app, that is Tor browser. Its main interface will be seen like this. You have to click on connect option. Depending upon your internet bandwidth, it will take few seconds for the connection to be established. So you have to be patient. After that you have to select your security level. Here I will recommend to select standard. Then you have to scroll it down and click on start browsing. Now you are successfully set up Tor browser on your Android device. Here it will show you the default search engine, that is DuckDuckGo search engine. If you search here onion or Tor links, it will show you huge lists of all the latest Tor links. You can browse whatever you want. So this was about Tor setup on your Android device. Keep in mind, Orbot proxy is an additional layer of security for your Tor browsing on your Android device. It is highly recommended. On my next video, I will show you how to configure and set up Tor on your Windows. Till that, bye. Have a nice day.